I'm sure you've noticed, your Chevy Colorado's low beams aren't turning on. It's annoying, but don't worry. Here's how you can fix it step by step. First, check your headlight bulbs. Pop the hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. If the bulbs look burned out or damaged, replace them with new ones. Just make sure they're the right type. Still not working? Next, inspect the fuses. Your fuse box is usually under the hood or near the driver's side dashboard. Find the fuse labeled headlights or low beam. If it's blown, swap it out for a new fuse with the same rating. If the bulbs and fuses are fine, check the headlight relay. This is a small box in the fuse panel. Try switching it with another similar relay to see if that solves the problem. Still no luck? The issue might be with the headlight switch or wiring. At this point, it's best to see a pro mechanic. Remember, safety first. Don't drive at night without working headlights. With these steps, you'll know exactly where to start when your Chevy Colorado's low beams go out. Stay safe and good luck.